one. Hey everyone. Our project is bespoke. Get ahead of the news. My name is Kier, and this is the rest of our team. Includes Jesse Gumtow, Yuval Karen, and Nicholas Bohm. Together, we wanted to address three main problems we see in today's news. The first issue is that there are often too many topics, ranging from sports, politics, movies, education, and the list goes on. And it's often hard to keep track. The next big issue is that there's too much information within these topics, and this information needs to be made more digestible. The third big issue we see in the news is that the current news can sometimes move too slowly, especially for certain industries, especially the ones that need time-specific updates. Think investors or people trying to keep track of interest rates, changes in the market on housing. Again, the list goes on. But you can see that with these three problems, there needs to be a solution. So here's what our platform offers. One of the key features we offer is an easy-to-use dashboard where users access customized news from different sources. Another key functionality is that we have summarizing AI functionalities, creating digestible news and better customer experience. Together, we can help make sure that users can get information at their fingertips when they need it and that it's easy to use.
And the other two services we provide are, one, we're able to tailor the news specifically to our users. And we do this by targeting keywords and regions that the user themselves inputs in. And the second service or functionality that we offer is that the user is able to set their news frequency, meaning they can say when they want to pull the latest news. And now we'll look at why we're different. So of course, there are other alternatives on the market. There are things like Flipboard, Google Alerts, Inkle, Ground News, Newsbreak, but none of them provide the kind of tailored live time service that our platform offers. Who actually needs us? Who are our users? Who's going to be using this platform? We're targeting three main demographics. The first is just busy people or everyday people who want to stay on top of the news. Maybe somebody who has a particular interest in geopolitics or something like that, and they want to get the news in a decluttered way. And the second group are people who need updates on niche topics, like crypto traders who want to get updates solely on crypto and financial markets and general trends. And the third demographic are people who need news in a time-sensitive fashion. So perhaps a gold commodity investor who's interested in getting specific alerts when the market opens every day. And now we'll take a look at our actual demo.
Thanks, Kira and Nick. I'm going to now give a live demonstration of the website. We incorporated Google authentication where users can log in with Google. I'll select my Columbia email here. And then I'm introduced to this initial dashboard. On the dashboard, you see a settings page, a logout page, and then the three selected subjects that I have. In my case, sports, geopolitics, and cryptocurrency. You see two articles from each of these subject matters, their news source, and the date of publishing. All of the articles are also clickable, which will then take you to that specific article. So for example, if I wanted to learn more about Venmo's newest feature, I could click on it and it would take me to CNN's business. I'm now going to hand it over to Jesse to tell us more about the settings features.
Thanks so much, Yuval. So now I'm going to take you through what it looks like to edit the settings for the account. So we can see here I'm logged into my account. I can go into the settings page, and these are what are automatically inputted for a new user. It's just the defaults. And so if you go into edit, we have here the topic list. So let's say I'm interested in education, I'm interested in travel, and I'm interested in money. And I want all of my news from the Washington Post. I can update the user. We can see that the settings were updated up here. We can go back, and now I see all of my news from the Washington Post, and I see that it's all from the categories that I selected, which is great. And then I'm also gonna explain, we have a ChatGPT feature. So let's say you're really, really busy and you want to just get a quick summary of the news, and you don't even have time to read through the articles that were picked out for you. You can click on Summarize News, and GPT will create a short summary for you about the articles, which makes it quick and easy to be able to get the information.
In future iterations, we want to connect this dashboard to also an automated email service that will be adjusted according to the frequency that the user selects within the settings page. We're very excited about this project and excited to see the direction that it goes in the future. Thank you so much.